I'm going to give you one more opportunity
to tell
place
a
your
lie?
hands behind your back.
I'm not being arrested
submit
for
to
nothing.
the arrest,
Submit?
or force will be used against you. Physical force is going to be
You are
used
being
against
recorded.
you. Physical force is going to be used against you. You are under arrest.
This is for my child too? Really?
Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Here, pull that arm this way.
On March 30th, 2024, Fairfield, California, a woman refused to leave a Target store after being asked 3 separate times by security. Officers were on scene for roughly 13 minutes. The resisting charge was eventually dropped. The real issue is not whether the arrest was justified, it is whether she understood what refusing lawful orders actually costs.
There's her car right here. And that's her right there in all blue.
Hello, police department. Hi.
Hi.
So the store has asked you to leave. Could you please remove their merchandise and leave?
I can't leave. I can remove my merchandise.
Thank you.
I'm doing something. Yeah, I go back to the desk. All my stuff missing. It was the first time. They call the police on me again. No.
Time out. Drop the purse. Take the shoe off.
This, you don't know what's mine.
It's got the tag on it.
You don't know that. My shoes are over there. You don't know what I know.
Where are you?
Oh, whoa. Hold
on.
You hold on.
Arrest.
For
You're
what?
under arrest.
For what?
For trespassing?
I'm not trespassing.
You are.
My thing's right here.
Let go.
No, I'm not.
Let go.
I'm not under arrest. I haven't done anything wrong.
Hey.
What have I done wrong?
Okay, listen. We don't need to escalate this.
What have I done wrong then? Can you please let go of me?
Listen, I've already told you. They've asked you several times to
Who
leave.
is they? They haven't asked me to
The
leave.
store.
No one. No, they have not.
Okay. I'm going to give you one more opportunity
To tell
place
a
your
lie?
hands behind your back.
I'm not being
And
arrested
submit
for
to
nothing.
the arrest,
Submit?
or force will be used against you. Physical force is going to be
You are
used
being
against
recorded.
you. Physical force is going to be
You're being
used against
recorded.
you. You are under arrest. Put your hand behind your back.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Listen.
I'm not admitting to
You're
something
gonna
like that.
get thrown on the
You
ground.
need to tell her that then.
Stop.
I'm not going to jail. I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything
We're
wrong.
going to ask you one more time.
This is for my child too? Really?
Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Here, pull that arm this way. 110, we're fighting. Here, hold that one. Here, that one went under her body. Hold that one. Women's clothing.
Oh, you fucking bitch! Stop it! You're hurting me, you stupid jackass. Stop it!
I got a hold of this one. I'm trying to put these back.
Stop it! You're hurting me, you stupid fuck.
Stop fighting.
Who's fighting?
You are.
How so?
You literally almost bit
I'm
my-
fighting? You're literally making me! You better have a key to my
Thank
fucking
you.
car. I'm looking right at it.
That's my key.
It's not your key. I
Yes,
told
it
you
is.
that the last time we played this.
You also bit my finger.
You also made me do
Can you
it.
just hang on to this? Here we go.
Yep, put that there.
Stop it! I'm not a fucking dog! Stop! Stop it! Stop! You cannot close me up in the butt!
That one? That one?
Pretty sure she shit herself.
Get your knee off me.
You okay?
Yeah, she bit my finger.
Get your fucking knee off my fucking ankle!
Stop.
Fucking. Ugh. You're hurting my wrist. When you break it, I'll let you know who did it.
Okay, well, you need to stop fighting
Okay.
us.
You need to stop making me.
We're not.
Oh, you certainly are. You
Literally
started from the
touched
start.
yourself. No.
Okay.
As soon as you walk up to me, you
Let's
fucking
back off for a
started
second.
harassing me.
Yep. Just,
Yep. You gonna be cooperative if we'll sit you down?
No, I'm not gonna be cooperative. I'm cooperative. You fucking wrestled me down to the floor.
listen,
I have property
hang
in that fucking truck.
Listen. It's
In
either
the
you're
truck.
gonna stop. It's
In the
either you're gonna
truck.
be cooperative or I have to put you
I
in a
have
wrap.
property in the truck that you have the key to. Okay.
Before Trump,
We're gonna give you one
you have the key in
opportunity
your hand.
to walk out of here. Okay? If you don't, you're gonna go on a route.
I'm going with my property.
Okay. One opportunity.
We're gonna stand you up, okay? Take the shoe off. It's not yours.
My property is in the truck.
Take your shoe off.
My property is in the fucking
Take that shoe
car.
off.
Right here too. I have property in this car.
Take the shoe off.
No. My shoes are over there. Take my shoes off. Take it off. Yeah, we'll take it off. This is stuff I have in stuff in here. I have things that belong to me. I'm not leaving the store without it. You're gonna bring it back to me then. I hope I'm doing it right now.
Is your finger good?
No. Are you moving your fucking garbage too much? Stop doing that.
I can't believe you bit my finger. Or stomped my toe.
Fuck you. You're pressing too hard on my fucking arm. Why are you doing that?
Stop.
No, you stop. You're pressing too hard on my arm.
Stop.
I'm giving you an opportunity. I'm out of the store now. So you
We're
lied
going
to
to
me
jail
again.
now.
You lied to me again. Stop it! You're hurting me. Why are you doing this?
I think they just...
Stop it! You're hurting my wrist. Don't break my wrist again.
I'm...
Don't break my wrist again. I have an X-ray that can prove my wrist has been broken. You want to break my wrist again? Go right ahead. Stop looking at me. Are you not a male? That's a male.
No. She's requesting a female.
I didn't request a female. I said you're not a male. And I said that's a male.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Exactly. I don't understand why I'm here either.
I'll get the clothes off at the jail and look for him.
Oh wow, at the jail? I'm getting arrested for what?
I think she pooped herself.
Who called the medic? Oh, whoa, don't touch my butt.
You got anything on that side?
You think I pooped myself? I'm like a goddamn baby. Why are you twisting my wrist? I told you broke it once already. I have an X-ray that you need to stop.
Stop.
You need to stop.
All right, let's just put her
You're the problem. And everyone's gonna stand around and let this happen? I hope someone has a captain. It's not funny.
Sit down.
Don't talk to me like I'm a child.
Act like an adult. I won't.
Wow.
Sit in the
I
car,
thought I was
please.
minding my business, acting like an
Sit in
adult
the car,
already.
please.
Please
Sit in
don't
the
touch
car,
me. Please don't touch me. I feel so violated, really.
Sit in the car.
I might have pooped myself.
Then get in the car.
Who the hell
Put your
are you?
feet in the car. Come on.
Don't touch me.
There you go. Thank you.
The pivot point comes around the 2-minute mark when the officer states, "Submit to the arrest or force will be used against you." California Penal Code Section 148, Subdivision A, Paragraph 1 makes it a misdemeanor to willfully resist, delay, or obstruct a peace officer performing their duties. Still, a reasonable counterargument exists. She believed the merchandise was hers and the store's request was harassment. Courts have held that a subjective belief of innocence does not negate the willful element if the officer's authority was lawfully exercised. What follows takes this situation into significantly more serious legal territory, and it starts with a single act most people do not think through in the moment.
Hello.
So you were saying you guys want video of...
Okay. Yeah, that's what we need. The clothing that's on her, I'm pretty sure she might have defecated on herself.
that's why it's totally fine if you have to get rid. I don't even want the clothes back, to be honest. They're gonna
Okay,
end up
did she
defective.
have any property with her?
No, she literally came here with pretty much nothing. Like, she was loaded
Did
up.
she have shoes on?
Yeah, she had Vans on. I can go in the clothing department and see if there's
Okay.
shoes over there. That's the only thing she had besides that.
Perfectly. So do you have enough info to log the RP from cars? I'll get it.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Perfectly. One, thank you. Log one by name. Okay. When you get the footage, is that number you called us on your cell phone?
Yes.
All right. I'll send you a link so you can upload it.
Like the Avon link and everything like that?
The Axon, yeah.
Axon. Got you, yeah. I can start working on all that
And
stuff.
you were here while we were talking to her, right?
Yeah, I have to do the whole ordeal and everything.
Did you hear us tell her that we were the police?
Yes.
Did you hear us tell her that she was under arrest?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
Cool. You want me to just email it to this one then? Or
I'll
wait
send
for
you
the
a link tonight. What time are you off?
I'll be here till 11 because we got to do like a very close tonight for Easter tomorrow.
Okay, if you don't get, if I get tied down and you don't get a link from me, just email it to me when you get it.
Okay, you'll probably get like, it'll be under like a OneDrive is what it's called.
All right.
And so you'll be able
Cool.
to just click it on there and same thing.
All right, sorry this happened.
Get like the name and stuff? Or
I don't even know her name yet, but when I do, I'll make sure you get it, so you could trespass her.
48 because they never walked out.
No, but it's 602 because she was asked
Yeah, 'cause-
repetitively to leave.
Yeah, because she's saying, because she was about to probably
don't-
steal it, right?
Well, they said all she walked in with was nothing, so she doesn't have means. So I'm gonna do the 602 and then the
Yeah, it's technically not a theft. She never left the store. Because he was insisting it was a theft. I'm like, I don't think so. Good enough.
Okay, and then are you injured?
No, I don't have any. My fingers red.
You want me to do the battery?
Make sure you take that. Actually, is that a bite mark? I don't know. Is that a tick mark?
Picture of it now. What's your birthday?
I had the LP. Maybe a copy of the video.
She can like hear everything in it. What's your name? Where are you from?
You just told me I can hear him.
What's your name?
No name.
All right, I'm just gonna have to get my fingerprint error
Sarah.
at your fingers. So,
Sarah.
okay, Sarah, what? What's your last name?
What?
What's your last name?
What'd you say?
What is your last name?
Penal.
Certainly. Did you have that info along our keeper first?
Does he have a name or not?
No, first one.
Oh. All right, miss. Can you lean forward real quick? I gotta get your thumbs.
You gotta get my thumbs.
If you could just push your thumb like that. So your right
I
thumb?
guess you're gonna have to do it. I'm not gonna help you arrest me.
No, you don't have to do anything.
I didn't do anything. I never did.
Sorry, I have to press down.
I never did anything. I never had a chance to.
It's not working. Do you have anything on your fingers? Sorry, this is... For some reason, your finger's just not picking up. There you go. Okay, let's see the other one.
No, and I don't know what the extent was of you support your judge's done.
What's that buzzing thing on my thumb?
It just gives me confirmation that it
Vibration?
registered. Yep.
I'm alive.
The 243B or whatever, or the assault on a police officer. 69.
During the struggle, the subject bit an officer's finger. That act triggers California Penal Code Section 243, Subdivision B, battery on a peace officer, which covers any willful and unlawful use of force directed at a peace officer performing official duties. The law does not require serious injury for 243B to apply. Any offensive physical contact is enough. No medical treatment was documented on camera, which typically keeps the charge at misdemeanor, but it still carries up to 1 year in county jail as a separate count. On the trespass charge itself, California Penal Code Section 602 requires proof that the defendant willfully remained on property after being asked to leave, with intent to interfere with the property owner's rights. Security confirmed 3 separate requests. All elements were directly observable. The officers charged 602 trespass rather than shoplifting under California Penal Code Section 459.5. Shoplifting requires the subject to have exited the store with merchandise. She never left, making shoplifting legally unsupportable on these facts. The use of force question follows Graham versus Connor, the 1989 Supreme Court standard measuring force against what a reasonable officer would do given the totality of circumstances. Active resistance, a bite, refusal to extend hands, and 2 prior warnings all factor into that calculation. No taser, no spray, no impact weapon. Force stayed at the lowest effective level given active physical resistance. That is directly relevant to Graham compliance, and it held up here. The officer's approach was legally grounded throughout. Verbal warnings before contact, correct identification, solid legal basis, and accurate charge selection at booking. The profanity during the struggle is a professionalism issue, not a legal one. On the subject side, each refusal compounded her exposure. The first made arrest likely, the second made force authorized, the bite created a separate criminal count on top of the original misdemeanor. None of that was inevitable. First, location matters legally. Because she never left the store, shoplifting could not be charged. That single fact shaped every downstream legal decision in this case. Second, once an officer gives a lawful arrest warning, disagreeing with the arrest is not a defense to resisting it. The remedy for an unlawful arrest in California is a court challenge, not physical resistance at the scene. Third, the bite turned a misdemeanor trespass into a multi-count case. The impulse to fight back in the moment almost always makes the legal outcome significantly worse. The resisting charge was dropped. The trespass charge held. The store ban remains in effect. That is the outcome of a series of decisions that could have ended at the first ask. If there is a case or a legal topic you want covered, drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.